Step 4. The multiversal god hero killed you. Now you're in an unknown universe. You've lost the most part of your powers. Step 5. You see another Trollge creature near the ruins of city. He saw you, and he's coming.
I am swift behind. I was running away from a cruel organization that has taken me prisoner, and they want to terminate me. Let's work together. Step 6. Step 6.